Some of you all have been hurt. There have been some people that have taken advantage of you. There have been some people that have talked about you. There have been some people that have abused you. They were supposed to protect you. Some of you feel like they took the life out of you. They took your virtue. I want you to know something. You still have your worth. There is nothing that can happen to you that takes your worth or your value away. For those of y'all that feel really dark in a weird place, you wake up in the morning and it's like all your zeal and all your passion has gone, like find somebody to talk to. Can I be all the way 1,000 with y'all? Man, do y'all know I got 2 counselors? I got a counselor and a therapist. So for those of y'all that wake up in the morning and you feel tired, you feel discouraged, you look at your phone like, I gotta go to school, and you feel like you're in a dark place and you lost that zeal, whatever help you need, get that help. You deserve a safe space to talk about your feelings and your thoughts and your emotions so that you can grow and develop and be as amazing as you've been called to be. I just came all the way from Atlanta, Georgia to tell you don't quit. I came all the way from A to tell you to keep fighting, to keep hanging in there, to value education, but more importantly, value yourself, because this world needs and deserves the best version of you, man.